What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'll be reviewing the Fasbury IPL Permanent Hair Removal System. This is one of the best rated hair removal devices available on Amazon and has a perfect 5-star rating from over 5,000 satisfied customers. It comes in black and white versions, and I'll leave links to both of them in the description below for those of you who want to check out all the specs and reviews. This product works by using the same clinically proven laser technology used by professional dermatologists. The device breaks the cycle of hair regrowth by targeting individual hair follicles with an intense burst of warm light. The hair follicle absorbs this light and becomes completely disabled in around 3 months. For the first month, you'll want to use this product around 3 times per week. Then, as the hair begins to grow back thinner, you can decrease that down to 2 times a week for the second month. And then finally, for the third month, decrease treatments down to 1 time per week, resulting in permanent hair removal in the treated areas. This technology has come a long way in recent years. In the past, you would have had to schedule multiple appointments with a professional, which would have cost you thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours of your time. Now, with this one device, you can get the same results in the privacy of your own home in a fraction of the time and at an unbeatable price. This product costs less than $100 on Amazon as of making this video. It comes with 999,999 flashes built in, which is the equivalent to full body treatment for up to 20 years, so you'll never have to worry about buying another hair removal device again. It's also painless to use. The system emits a warm light and the skin only feels a mild heat when used correctly. It works great for men and women, and it has 5 energy levels and 2 flash modes built in. Manual mode consists of a single flash when you press the button, and it's only used for small areas of hair removal like on your lips, armpits, and bikini line. Auto mode consists of continuous bursts of light, so you don't have to press the button over and over, which is really convenient and saves a lot of time, and it's used for larger areas of hair removal like on your legs, arms, chest, and back. There are a few places you'll want to avoid using this product though, which would include any sensitive areas of skin like around your eyes. Also, if you've recently tanned, be sure to wait at least 4 weeks before using this product, and even longer if you've recently been sunburnt. Another important thing to note is to never use this product over tattooed areas of your skin. The pigment in the ink is potentially capable of absorbing the light from this product and damaging your tattoo, so be sure to thoroughly review your owner's manual before using this device to make sure you have a complete understanding of how to use it safely. And with all that said, let's go ahead and open one up and see what comes in the box. Alright, so here's the box we received from Amazon directly from the seller, and on the box it says that it is the Fasbury IPL hair removal system. It is a permanent reduction in hair regrowth system. It comes with an LCD large display, 5 levels of energy, 999,999 built-in flashes, which is enough to do your whole body multiple times, and then 2 flash modes. Let's check out the rest of the box. It looks like the only other thing is that it says it's made in China. So let's go ahead and open this up here and see what we've got inside. So the top just slides right off, just like that. Okay, so inside the box, it looks like we have here a little thank you card directly from the seller. I'm not sure if they'll all come with this card, but this one did. Looks like here we've got the the instruction manual, so everything of how to use it and appropriate skin types and colors and things like that is all included in here, so I highly recommend checking this out. Put that there. So the other things that come built in or in the box here, it looks like we've got the charging cable here. Put that over there. It comes with a razor, so I mean it's just a standard razor. If you need more, you can get these anywhere, but it does come with one, so that's helpful. It also comes with these sunglasses, these shades to use while you're using the product, because it does flash really, really bright. So definitely use these whenever you're using this product to protect your eyes. So it comes with a pair of those, that's really helpful. And then let's see, the last thing in the box here is the actual device itself. Let's get this out of here, put this box out of the way, and let's check this out. Let's see. So it feels really high quality. For the price, I wasn't expecting it to feel so high quality. It's heavy, so that's good. It feels sturdy. I'm just checking everything out. It looks really good. Let's see if I can get. So if you look in there, this is the actual light here. So this is what will flash. You've got a couple buttons on the device. Let's see if it comes fully charged or if it has to be charged first. Okay, it's not coming on right now, so it looks like it does need to be charged first. We'll go ahead and get it plugged up here in a minute and get a charge on it and test everything out. But just right out of the box, and my first impression is it's definitely higher quality than I was expecting. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it plugged up. We'll get it charging for a few minutes, and then we'll give it a first rundown and try. Alright, so there are a few important things that we need to go over here in the manual before we actually use this product. So these are just basically basic safety warnings and things like that. So I definitely recommend reading through this and, you know, making your decisions on your own, but we will go over them here together. So let's see. So first of all, what we have here are the few safety guidelines. It says, you know, obviously please read the manual, please read all the warnings, etc. So that's important. It also shows the product information, so the actual product itself, and so it shows the buttons labeled here. The top button is the actual light button, and then the bottom button is the power switch. Down here you'll actually see the charging hole, and then obviously the contact surface, and then the screen of the device. So that just explains the device. Yep, the LCD display and everything is described right here. So this up here is actually what's really important, and it shows the skin tone chart as well as the hair color chart. So what you'll see is that some skin tones and some hair colors won't actually work with this product. So let's go over those together so that you don't waste your time buying something that won't actually work with you. So the acceptable skin colors, it's usually the lighter colors, because the darker it gets, the darker skin will actually absorb light. So you want to make sure that your skin tone matches one of these. So white, ivory, beige, or light brown, those all work with this product. It looks like medium brown and dark brown are not recommended with this product. And then as far as hair color, it looks like for hair, black works the best, dark brown, medium brown, light brown all work with this product. But once you get into the blonde, red, and white gray, those will not work with this product. So be sure to review this you know, fairly well before you actually purchase the product, and just make sure that your skin tone and hair color are compatible. This is basically how to use it. We'll go over this together. So the first step is 3 days before use, please use the razor that comes with the product first to remove the hair from the skin. If the hair does not exceed 2 millimeters, you can directly operate without shaving. So that's step number 1. Step number 2 says, do not remove hair by beeswax or plus hair. Oh, so basically, don't wax or pluck your hair with pliers before using our device. IPL technology works mainly with hair follicles to better absorb the light waves. So basically just don't wax before using this product, and don't pluck your hairs because it needs hair to actually absorb the light. Step number 3, it says the skin should be kept clean and dry without being applied with any powders, antiperspirants, deodorant, and wipe the contact surface of the hair removal device with a dry cloth. So make sure everything is really clean before using this product. No lotions or anything like that on your skin. Alright, let's go ahead and continue. Okay, so in use, so we're going to actually start getting into how to use the product now. So number 1 is to connect the power adapter, and the intensity indicator light turns red and flashes, and it means the circuit is normal. So let's go ahead, and I've got my plug here. We'll check that out and see if that's what happens. So we'll get this plugged in. You just plug it right into this hole down at the bottom. Oh, it did light up, so it's lighting up. It's telling us something here. So it says off. Okay, let's check the next step. Let's see. Okay, here we go. To long press the power switch until the LCD screen lights up. So let's go ahead and press our power switch. Okay, it lit up. It's buzzing around. Definitely doing something here, and as you can see, it does come with 999,999 flashes. So this is lit up. Okay, let's check the next step. Step 3, short press the power switch button to adjust the gear from first gear, which is the lowest, to fifth gear, which is the highest. It's recommended to start from the first gear, recommended start from the first gear for the first use. If you use the higher gear immediately, it may cause skin discomfort. Later use, you can adjust the high gear one by one. So basically all this is saying is just start off at the lowest power setting so you don't get any skin discomfort. And as you start to get used to the product, you can slowly start increasing the power levels. So just start at number 1 and eventually work your way up to number 5. Okay, number 4 says to please put on your glasses, which comes with the product. Please use a hair removal device to contact with the skin in a vertical angle of 90 degrees to ensure complete contact with the skin and avoid energy dispersion. So essentially just put on your glasses and we're ready to start. Number 5 says fully put the contact surface on the skin, lightly press the flash button of the instrument, and the instrument will flash. Alrighty, so number 6 says after using the device to emit light once, replace that area that needs the hair removal. So essentially you just flash it once and then move on to the next area. Let's see here. Place as close as possible to the previously treated area to ensure that all areas are properly treated. So basically just, move down just a little bit to get to the next area. So it looks like this is basically how we can use it. I would recommend to go through each of these pages here. I don't want to take up all your guys' time going through all of the pages and warnings and things like that. So when you get the device, definitely review this yourself. But yeah, we've gone over the basics of how to do this. So everything, I've just got it plugged in. It looks like it does need to be plugged in to actually work, so I'm not sure if it has a charge on it. So just make sure that you do plug it in, before you try to turn it on. So that's why it wasn't coming on earlier. I'll go ahead and get set up, and we will give this a test. Alright, so the first thing we've got to do is determine where we're actually going to be treating our skin. And for demonstrational purposes, for this video and to keep it short and quick, what I'll be doing is I have this spot here on my hand. There's a little bit of hair that comes down right here, so we'll just test the product out right here over the next couple of months to see if we can get rid of that. I'll try to get a close-up there so you guys can actually see that there is hair growing down there. So this is what we will be working on. So the first thing we've got to do is actually just go ahead and trim that off. It says to trim the hair 3 days before you actually use the products. I'll just be using this Philips Norelco to go ahead and do that, and this is actually a really good product as well. I'll link it in the description below. We'll just use this, just go ahead and turn it on and buzz that right off. I'll do it over the counter, I'll wipe that off in a minute. So that's where we'll be treating. Alright, so as you can see, there's no more hair there. Took that right off. So yeah, so now we basically just have to wait for 3 days. I really don't know why, but that's what it says in the manual. So we'll give it 3 days, and we'll come back, and then we'll go ahead and try it out. Alright, so it has been 3 days, and now we're going to go ahead and try this product out. So the first thing we'll have to do is just go ahead and turn on the power button here, just by holding it down until it powers on. You can see the lights flash up. So you'll hear the fans kick on, and it's ready to go. So at this point, basically, since this is the first time we're trying it out, we'll be doing it on level 1. If you wanted to change the levels, you just basically click the power button, and you can see it go up to level 2, level 3, 4, and 5. And if you want to go back down, just keep clicking it, and it'll go back down to level 1. We're like I said, we're starting on level 1. I'll be doing it right here on this part of my hands. We're going to need the glasses. I've got my glasses here. Let's go ahead and get those put on. Alright, so we're good to go. To use it, this is the button you're going to press. So whenever you're ready to flash it, basically you just take the device. This is the button you'll press here to use it. You take the device and press it right down here where you want it to go, and press a button, and you'll feel a little bit of heat. It's really not hot at all, not bad at all. You just press it a couple of times. Don't want to do the same spot over and over. We'll do one down there, and it's that easy. So with just a few flashes, I'll do one more just to make sure we get it good. Yeah, no pain, nothing like that. So basically you do that for a few times in the schedule. You just follow the schedule for the 3 months, and then after that the hair is supposed to never grow back again. So I'm going to keep trying this out. I'll keep you guys updated, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I just finished the 3rd month of treatment on this part of my hand here, and I'm really impressed with how well this product works. As you can see, the hair that was there is completely gone now. And I'll show you what it looked like before on my other hand. I haven't treated this hand yet. I will, just to even them out, but yeah, as you can see, the hair grew all the way down the side there, just like that. And then 3 months later, it's virtually gone. So they did say it can take maybe 4 or 5 months for some people, but for me 3 months was all it took. So I am really happy with this product, and for less than $100 you really can't beat that. I will leave a link for it in the description below if anyone does want to go ahead and buy it, or just check out all the specs and reviews. And that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, I hope you'll go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We'll be doing more product reviews here in the future, so be sure to stay tuned. And until next time, my friends, take it easy.